Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade tomato sauce, step by step. We'll start by selecting the best ingredients. You'll need about 4 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of quality olive oil, 1 medium onion, and a few cloves of garlic. Fresh basil and oregano are also wonderful additions. A little sugar or balsamic vinegar can enhance the flavor balance. Next, let's prepare our tomatoes. First, score a small X on the bottom of each tomato. Then, blanch them in boiling water for about 45 to 60 seconds until the skins begin to wrinkle. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath to cool. This makes peeling incredibly easy. After peeling, core and chop your tomatoes into half-inch pieces or grate them for a smoother texture. Now it's time to cook. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté 1 minced onion and 4 cloves of minced garlic for about 3 minutes until fragrant. Add your prepared tomatoes to the pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer, uncovered, for 30 to 90 minutes, stirring occasionally. Mash the tomatoes as they cook to reach your preferred consistency. To finish your sauce, stir in about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped basil or other herbs. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar if necessary. Allow the sauce to cool completely before storing. You can refrigerate it in an airtight container for up to 4 days or freeze it for up to 3 months. Enjoy your delicious homemade tomato sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.